WNCT's Zora Stevenson joins us at Union Point Park with the latest on conditions there. Zora.
Right now in New Bern, a little bit earlier, some rain off and on, and I'm at Union Point Park, a place that's notorious for flooding. The good news is I can still tell it's a park, not completely flooded. Right now, some water is making its way into the area, but in Pamlico County, it's a different story. I visited there earlier today where there's already lots of flooding. Take a look at what's going on there.
It was this high, 9 inches in the house.
I marked the wall at the high tide marking here, and we lost all our freezers and anything left in here, cash register.
In Pamlico County, there's a consensus. An event like Hurricane Irene is something no one wants to see.
No, ma'am, well, sure don't.
From the fish market in Oriental
This is fresh shrimp.
to the people in Lowland.
They don't call it lowland because it's not low.
A huge rain event is never a good thing.
You better have flood insurance because it's going to flood.
The effects of Hurricane Matthew have yet to reach this area, and already high water signs and washed out roads. So more rain from whatever Matthew brings would only make the situation worse. While these folks aren't worried, they just hope the forecast holds true and Matthew stays far, far away. Because the last thing they want is another Irene.
We had enough Irene. We've had enough rain this year. We don't really need the rain.
Already a voluntary evacuation for people who live in those lowland areas in Pamlico County. A shelter will open at the community college tomorrow. Back here in New Bern, just a little bit of wind. Live in New Bern, Zora Stevenson, 9 on your side.
Thank you.